Francisco! Baby.
Oh yeah, wait, hold on, look on the other side, guys. Oh no.
Where is it? Where is it?
Hold on, according to... Let me see the GPS. Keep going.
Oh, it's mine, it's mine, it's mine.
Keep going. Just keep going. I'll let you know when we're close.
Wait, baby, hold on.
No.
Oh my gosh.
Paris, what the heck? It says little. No, it's next tree over. I'll do the next tree.
Wait. San Francisco is one of those cities that requires no introduction. It is very well known worldwide and highly visited all year round. This amazing city combines the high skyscrapers, cable cars, and steep hills with the most famous bridge in the world. San Francisco remains one of America's great cities and a genuine must visit.
First stop on your way to San Francisco is Battery Spencer, one of the most strategically important sites guarding the Golden Gate, that offers a perfect shot of the most famous bridge in the world, the Golden Bridge.
Guys, behind the scenes, we have to get the shots. Look at them. Yes, that's it.
Right.
Oh, look at that. Look at that, babe. That's sick.
How do you feel?
Want to walk into?
Oh yeah, that's a good one. Let's do
It's a
it.
great thumbnail.
Let's do a walking one.
I'm gonna take my coat off.
Yeah.
I wanna look good.
Okay.
You look good. You look good.
Let's look like it's summer.
Oh, look at that. Look at that white shirt. Okay.
Oh wow, you're actually bright, you know.
Yeah, that's one
Alright,
to
go
shine
and walk.
bright like a
Walk
thing.
towards it. Abby, you can say it like that. Just look at her. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Wait, don't move. That's it, Dad. Guys, how beautiful was that view? How beautiful was the Golden Gate Bridge?
We had to pinch ourselves because we didn't believe we were in San Francisco.
We feel like we're in a dream, we're in a movie.
Honestly.
So the next stop is the Palace of Fine Arts, and I heard it's really beautiful. So here we are, we just arrived. The Palace of Fine Arts is a monumental structure located in the Marina District of San Francisco. Originally built for the 1915 Panama Pacific International Exposition to exhibit works of art. Walking through this stunning place gives you peace and quiet with the sound of water and birds.
With a jump?
When to jump? Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
You got it.
Why do I feel like it's really funny?
One more, okay. Oh, that's weird. Right guys, so we're in another popular destination here in San Francisco, which is the pier. And the good thing about the pier is that you can see the Golden Gate Bridge on one side, And you also have an amazing view of all the boats and yachts here in San Francisco, with the amazing views and amazing houses, but they are very expensive. And it's just so nice to see, you know, listen to the sea, the waves, amazing.
And free parking
And also you can also park on the road for free
for 2 hours.
for 2 hours for free. So that is actually an amazing part of this. This is one thing, good thing about America. You can park anywhere. Anywhere.
More choices of parking.
Yep.
Wow, he's exercising with the Golden Gate in the back.
Are you mad?
Come on. One more.
One more.
You can do it. Yay!
Hey! Hey! Man like how big? Hey!
She doesn't have arm strength, does she?
I don't have.
Now, these are the funny shots. Come on.
Grab it like this.
I gotta go in.
You are the gym, yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's pretty good.
Okay, so far, the best thing I've seen in San Francisco is definitely the view to look at the Golden Gate Bridge. The first view, actually, from up there. In the distance, you can actually see Alcatraz prison from here. Wow. Yeah, the lights on.
Yeah.
Okay, there you go.
Got my first chili dog.
Huge portion.
Yes. Most famous streets in San Francisco. This is Lombard Street. It goes east to west in San Francisco, and it's known for its steep one-block section with 8 hairpin turns. You can drive down here, but some people just like to walk around and take pictures.
Make that turn, babe. You're going way lower than 5 miles an hour, babe.
Listen, do you see how steep this thing is? Stop rushing me.
No way! Are you mad? Are you mad?
This is it. Oh, Jesus.
We made it!
You can't believe people live here.
How people live in this place?
They live here.
Okay, your turn, hold the camera.
No, that's
Some people
sick,
live
man.
right there.
What? How can
They
you
get the gym workout every day.
How can you live here?
You have to
Getting
come
up
up
and
this
down.
way.
Lord have mercy on my soul.
Whoa!
Could you imagine, like, absolutely, like, one
This is
person goes-
amazing.
somebody comes up the street and you're going down it.
However, you can film from the back once we get down, and
He's
you'll
been
get a
filming.
view.
He's been filming the whole way.
And then there's the tower right there you guys are going to go to.
You're thinking about it, Tom. I'm just thinking about my life. I don't want to die here. Do you guys don't understand what it feels?
Hey,
Oh my God.
Hey, you want to park here?
No.
I am dead. You can do it, girl. You can do it.
Someone parks here.
You can do it.
That's a skill. Parking that is a skill.
Lauren, you're amazing. You got this.
People actually live here.
They do.
Cardio. Right. I'm gonna step on it. I'm on Lombard Street. The street that they always film in the movies. Are you mad? Wow. Guys, how epic was Lombard Street?
Honestly. The amount of people recording and filming, taking pictures.
Everyone was taking pictures. It's crazy. We were in the movies, I swear. In the movies.
Like everywhere you looked, it was like scenic image of picture, a landscape.
And it was a bit scary but exciting at the same time.
Yeah.
Because you're like this. It's like that.
That was incredible.
You heard Lorraine's reactions. Oh, bless her.
But that part, it takes you like 5 minutes together, and then you can go somewhere else. Where are we going now?
So now we just parked up onto one of the side roads again, and you can pay using the app or at the machine. And we are going to Pier 39. I think people say this is like one of the most famous piers in San Francisco. So we'll see.
That's it.
This is a popular shopping centre and tourist attraction. Here you'll find many shops, restaurants, video arcades, people doing street performances, and of course virtual 3D rides. Visiting Pier 39 is definitely a wonderful opportunity to have fun.
Go, Harvey. Catherine, where are you? Is that you? Is that you or a mirror? Catherine doesn't know. Okay, Andy, go get lost.
Oh yeah, it's
So hard.
Three of them.
actually scary, isn't it?
Yeah. Where is he?
I think we're having more fun than the kids before.
We are. What are you doing, guys?
Okay, I'm ready now.
What's happening? Tell the camera what's happening.
We're in the maze, the mirror maze. I'm trying to film my way out of here.
Okay.
Right, let's find Andy.
I don't know why I'm ahead. I should be behind. Oh, there's Andy. I see Andy. Andy's right there in front.
That doesn't mean
He's right here. He's right there, guys. What? That's him right here. Me too. I was like, he's right here. And then this is a mirror. And he's actually right here. Whoa.
Yeah, do it that way. Back up.
I know, but I'm trying to film. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Say hi, Arthurine. He's ahead. Yeah, he is. He's right there. What? He's right there. He's right there, guys. Oh my gosh, he's right there. Hold on. This is a mirror. No. Ah! What?
Oh, no, we lost it.
Wait, Andy, you're too good at this. Let us do it.
Yeah, you're too good.
Yeah.
No. That's wrong way.
Yeah, I think we're going the wrong way.
Wait, I lost him now. I don't know where he is. Oh.
He's good at it. Just find it. If you find it.
Oh, there he is.
There he is.
Somewhere there.
Nope.
Oh, no.
Oh, my leg! Oh my gosh! Is that a mirror? Is that a mirror?
You want to see yourself.
I can't walk. Alright, bye guys.
Right, guys, another nice and very popular place here in San Francisco is Coit Tower, for different reasons. One is because of the views that gives you to the actual city, San Francisco. The ticket to go inside is about $10 per person. We're not doing it today because we think that it's not kind of worth it in a way. We want to see more things. Literally, it's just stairs taking you right to the top, and then you got a better view. But if you're interested in having like a nice view, then you know, Coit Tower, come here, $10 per person, And there you go in.
Who can you see?
I see people.
What people? Can you see the Alcatraz?
All the prisoners.
You can see all the
Oh my
prisoners.
goodness, they're coming out.
Wow. That's impressive. Wow. What's happening?
Hi guys, we just came back from Pier 39. It was mad.
Pier
amount of-
39 is over there.
Over there. As you can see, Alcatraz is in the background, but how did you find Pier 39?
It was really good actually.
Yeah.
Hectic, full of people, but so many things to eat and to do in there.
And of course, we explored the Infinity Mirror Maze. We're going to insert the clip so you can see how much fun we were having. That cost $10 per person. So I think it's worth it.
Absolutely,
Definitely.
yeah. Yeah. And we're here enjoying the views now.
Enjoying the views. Where should we go? Oh, Lorenzo.
You want to stand anywhere around the car except the doorway? Oh, he's not on here? That's the doorway. So two people. No, like, yeah. Slide over. Just step up. Just step up and hold on. As long as it's not here. There's other room around the other side as well.
So that's how you're riding? Wow, you guys are gonna have an epic ride. You'll have an epic ride. Say hi.
Hi, how you doing? So guys, we're gonna end the video here for the first day in San Francisco. We are coming back here another day to explore the rest of San Francisco's amazing attractions.
Honestly, this first day has been breathtaking, stunning. We loved every minute. And there's so much going on.
The cable cars, we were proper holding on and hanging off. Like this.
There's so much going on.
Honestly.
But anyway, we'll see you in the next one.
Yeah.
Coming up.
Coming up. See you guys.
Okay, bye.
Bye.